Well, here's a famous hotel some of you might be familiar with. Built in 1882, this is the Hotel Belvedere, which is coming up on my right here. It's derelict now, but it has stood and frozen in time on one of the legendary hairpins in the Firka Pass. It was once a haven for alpine travellers, but it now just watches over one of the most famous and most iconic roads in Europe. Me and Darren decided very early on that we were going to come over here and have a look at it, and it didn't disappoint. I generally thought it might be a bit quiet, but the car park was heaving, you couldn't get moved, but it was worth it. Fantastic place, you've got to get there if you're a biker, get some pictures in. It was featured in a James Bond movie, Goldfinger, I believe, and that's what made it famous. So yes, the Belvedere Hotel on the Firka Pass in Switzerland.